welcome to today's video. Today I have a stitch fix for you, but I have a little explaining to do first. After my last stitch fix, they reached out to me and told me about something called Style Pass. Now you know, the main thing that held me back from getting stitch fix is the styling fee and the fact that I could lose out on money if I didn't keep any of the items. Well, with the Style Pass, you pay $49 for 1 whole year and you can get unlimited amount of fixes you want in that year. But what really sold it for me is that anything you purchase in that year, that $49 gets applied to. So as long as I get minimum of 3 fixes throughout the year and purchase 1 or 2 items, I haven't lost any money. So that seemed like a good deal to me, but it also means that I'm going to be getting more fixes to share with you throughout the year, which I think will be kind of fun. I don't know if it's something that they offer to everybody. I had never heard about it before, but they did reach out and offer it to me after the last fix. So hopefully I will find some good items, but let's see what they sent this time. I did ask for some transitional pieces, so kind of going summer into fall, fall into winter, those layering pieces. So we'll see what I got. The box does seem pretty jam-packed, so this could be interesting. Okay, right off the bat, we've got a nautical looking sweater, which is very my style. And I like the button details that are on the shoulder here. It's also very soft feeling, so that's a good start. Ew. Then this is a hoodie, neutral on the front, but then says California Dreamin' on the back with kind of a beachy print there, which again, it feels very soft, but that's not really a pattern that I'm feeling like I want to walk around in, but of course I'll try everything on. And I've got another hooded long sleeve shirt here. This one's a bit more my style, kind of a color blocking with some mauve, gray, and white, and everything's feeling very soft today, which I'm loving. Looks like perhaps some jewelry. Oh my goodness. So they're hoops, and you know I love hoops, but it's got me a bit concerned because they're coach hoops, which means they're probably going to be super expensive. I guess we will see. Even comes with its own little dust bag. Quite fancy. Then I've been looking for a blazer, have asked for it, and looks like I got one. This looks like it's black though. I was really looking for maybe something more colorful, but black could go with everything. No bottoms though, just tops. So I guess I'll just be wearing it with my jeans. Uh-oh. No button. What's up with that? Not a fan of that. I want to be able to close it if I'm going to wear it. Plus it doesn't even close on the bottom here. It stays open if I was to have a button there, so I'm not feeling that. Plus the sleeves do not unroll, so I would have to wear it 3/4 length. I do like how it's more fitted. I'm not a fan of the big oversized blazer look that's popular right now. I don't know. The fact it doesn't button, I'm not a fan of. Here is the California Dreaming shirt. I just noticed it has holes in those sleeves. I guess you're supposed to do this with that? I don't know. I don't know if that's just a trend thing or if that's supposed to keep your hands warmer. I have no idea. But sleeves are always a little long on me. I don't know if I have short arms or what, but it does fit well. I'm pretty sure it's probably a size medium, but I will double check and let you know if it is different. And then to show you the back, I like the style, the fit, the feel, but not feeling the pattern on the back. I'm pretty sure this is the exact same shirt, thumb holes and all, just in a different print. Fits fine, comfortable. Like this one better than the California one. Likely wouldn't wear the hood, but just to show you what it looks like with the hood. Makes me feel like I'm in ET. Of course, cost is going to be a factor as always, so we will see. Now for the final outfit. I do like this sweater. It is definitely lighter weight and more fitted than I was thinking, so I don't have a shirt underneath it, and I don't know if one would fit that great underneath it, but I do think it's meant to be worn more fitted. And then you can see the nice button detailing. Did try on the hoops. They're a little heavy for me. I mean, I don't mind the size, but they are a little heavy. I feel like they're pulling on my ear a little bit. And then I don't love how it shows the Coach C here. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So while you know I love hoops, I don't think these are the ones for me. But we will see about the sweater and the long sleeve top. But of course, we're gonna talk prices, but let me just get out of this stuff and back into my other stuff before we get into that. I just realized I didn't read the note from the stylist, so I will do that and go over pricing. Hi, Erin. This year seems like it's flying by, and here we are looking directly at the fall season. Can you believe it? With so many activities and travel opening back up, it's a great time to add pieces to your wardrobe to have on hand. Thanks for taking time to look at the Fix preview we sent. The blazer isn't available in pink, but I chose 3 additional pieces that I hope you love. The freestyle section on our website or the app has really great pieces that you may not find in your fixes. Okay, good to know. It's an easy and fun way to add exciting pieces to your wardrobe in between fixes, and all of the items are constantly changing. So I wonder if those items that are on freestyle, you don't get in fixes if they're like separate items, how they do it, I don't know. Let me know what you think about it, and as always, leave feedback on this fix so that we can make sure you're getting items you love each time. Okay, this is weird. Hope you had a good 2021 and cheers to 2022. XO, Melissa. That's weird. So either they copy and pasted that from an old note or email, or I don't know, because 1, it's not the new year. 2, we're almost at the end of 2022. So that's kind of a weird thing to have in there. Sometimes I'm not too sure about these stylists and their notes, but now, as always, the moment of truth, the pricing. The blazer was in medium, $68. For $68, I want something with a button. So that's gonna be a no for me. Then the sweater is $48 and is size medium. The Coach hoops, as I had feared, were $65. I've never had $65 hoops. Not that style anyways. Actually, I don't think at all, but yeah, for plain silver hoops, I'll stick with my more affordable ones. Now, both the hoodies were market and spruce. One they call the Brenna French Terry hoodie, and the other the Mitzi hooded knit pullover. To me, they're both pretty much the same. So let's see which is which. So the California Dreamin' is the Mitzi hooded knit one, and that one is $60. So you're paying extra money for the print because the multicolor one is $58, which for a long sleeve shirt is pretty steep. $60 for that shirt? It's comfortable and soft, but I was not expecting $60. I would have thought the sweater would be more than the hooded shirt. Oh man, I got some thinking to do. I'll get back to you. All right, I've taken a moment to think. I've looked back on the footage, and I'm definitely not keeping the hoops blazer or the California shirt. The two I was deciding was the multicolored long sleeve hooded shirt and the striped sweater. And the long sleeve shirt, I just think $58 is too much money for that, especially when I could probably find something similar for less money on Amazon. I think I even have something saved to my wish list very similar that's less money, so I'm gonna pass on that. But in looking back at the sweater, even though it's lighter weight, and I think I could fit another long sleeve shirt under it as long as it's a thin long sleeve shirt, I do think I'd get a lot of wear out of it in fall, spring, and summer. Might not be the best winter sweater, but I do think I could wear it throughout the other seasons. It feels like good quality. I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna hold up. I'm hoping it'll hold up and not pill too much, but that one is the cheapest item, surprisingly, at $48. And because I have the credit, it will actually be free. Well, not free, because I did pay for it already. But I can use that money I already paid toward it, and I'll still have $1 left over. So I think that's what I'm going to do for this fix. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know when you'd like me to get a fix again. Should I get something for holiday outfits? Should I wait for the new year and do more winter outfits? Because I still want to spread them out a bit. I don't want to do them like every month or all the time, but let me know if you'd like to see something for the holidays or if I should wait until the new year and do something then. But thank you for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment to let me know what you thought of the tops. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.